Crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it is already time in 2026 for our first holiday quilting bee. So I wanted to jump on, give you an opportunity to get prepped if you want to do the sew along, if you want to be doing the same project that I am doing. I wanted to identify and tell you what that is. So if you are new to the channel, new to whatever a holiday quilting bee is, I host on national holidays, not all of them, only the ones that I am afforded through my company. But Martin Luther King, January 19th is our first national holiday in 2026 that I'll be able to host a quilting bee. And that is an opportunity for us to get together from 7 a.m. Arizona time until 10 a.m. So 3 hours of quilting together. Sometimes I have guests. I may or may not have a guest for this one. I have yet to think that far ahead because, wow, we just got over Christmas, guys. But with that, if you choose, we can do the same project together. You can just tune in, listen to me rattle on in the back, whatever makes sense for you. But the project that I will be working on is a Villa Rosa table runner design called SEW Charmed. And this is available from Villa Rosa. You can purchase it online at villarosadesigns.com for $2. You can do an instant download, or you can, for $2, they will mail you the card. I like having the cards. This is actually an older pattern. I think it's 2019. So this pattern is, what, 7 years old at this point? But it's just one that jumped out to me, something that is not overcomplicated for us to start a new project, and something that we can finish probably at least the the top during the live, and then just do the binding in that. To do this project, it does finish out at 19 inches by 48 inches. It will take 29, I guess I should put my glasses back on, 29 charm squares at 5 by 5. And then background fabric, they recommend a half yard of background fabric, and for binding, about 1/3 of the yard. So it is showing, obviously, in this one, a very patriotic look. That is not what I'm going to be doing. I am actually torn between two charm packs. Interesting enough, the one that I pulled is a Moda called Merry Little Christmas. I pulled it because I think it looks very springish, and that is what I was looking at. And so I'm really surprised that they call this a Christmas project pack, but that's fine. Not how I'm going to use it. If I choose to use this one, I did grab this one to go through, but also found this one from Maywood Studios, and it has 42 charms, but I can't see. Masmima might be the name of it. I'm not sure. But again, another very summery, springy type charm pack. I think this is probably the one that I'm going to use. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I won this charm pack. I don't remember buying it, but that's not to say I didn't. But I will probably be doing this charm pack along with the white background around there. So you can see what the pattern looks like. I will probably be using this charm pack to do the outer borders, with a few, mixed in the center. And I definitely will be using white as the background fabric. And then I'm not sure what I'll end up binding. To me, I think I'll probably end up using, especially if I go with this one, I'll probably use a nice green uh, fabric to do the binding. So, guys, I would so appreciate if you want to tune in, jump in, be part of the holiday quilting bee. You can join all 3 hours. You can join for 3 minutes, 30 minutes, or whatever makes sense. Hopefully, you have that day off as well. It will start at 7 a.m. Arizona time. It does run for 3 hours. As always, we will have some giveaways to do that day as well. I've been trying to mix those up a little bit more, hoping to get better about that. But plan to join me. We're not sponsored. This is all on my own, and it's all out of my own pocket because I just enjoy us being able to have an opportunity to be together. So I hope to see you January 19th, Martin Luther King MLK Day at 7 a.m. Arizona time. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.